Have you ever thought, I wish I learned about money and the stock market when I was younger? Or maybe, why do so many of us miss the chance to learn about money when it matters most? Well, that's exactly what inspired us to create the Time Travel Trading Academy. Imagine your student not just learning financial skills, but living them, traveling through time, witnessing history's greatest financial lessons, and making decisions right alongside my son, Zane. We thought you or someone you know might be interested in this unique opportunity. Let me show you how it works. This is Zane, an ordinary high school freshman with an extraordinary journey ahead. He attends Time Travel Trading Academy, where Theo, Zane's dad, is the principal. Together, our family is on a mission to teach financial literacy in a way that sticks. Like every great story, Zane starts with a challenge. He entered his first stock market competition and, well, let's just say it didn't go as planned. Eager to make a good first impression, he made a risky trade that lost his team all their money. As a result, the team finished in last place. Determined to learn, Zane turned to Theo's research. What he found unlocked an adventure like no other. A hidden door, a mysterious laboratory, and the greatest discovery of all, a secret time machine his dad has perfected. And just like every curious teenager, Zane couldn't resist the glowing panels and buttons. Before he knew it, he thrust himself back into time, unwittingly starting an adventure that would change him and our family forever. From Black Monday in 1987 to the dot-com bubble, and even the 2008 financial crisis, Zane uses the time machine to learn how decisions, big and small, shape financial outcomes. But Zane isn't learning alone. Students like yours are right there with him, participating in hands-on activities and reflecting on every decision. We're always there to guide him, just like we'll be there to guide your student. At the Time Travel Trading Academy, students learn alongside Zane, from budgeting to taxes to trading the stock market. The curriculum is self-paced and designed to fit into busy after-school schedules or homeschool routines, with flexible, self-paced modules that take only 30 to 45 minutes to complete. Through interactive video lessons and hands-on activities, students apply what they learn immediately using industry-leading tools like the Interactive Brokers mobile app. With $1 million in simulated trading capital, they research markets, make real-time trades, and manage portfolios. Gamified challenges keep learning fun with badges and power-ups. Parents are part of the journey too, with access to progress portals and regular updates, ensuring everyone learns together. And just like Zane, every student's journey has its own surprises and challenges. Zane still has some lessons to learn, like how to talk to the new girl Sophie who transferred into his class. He's still a work in progress. Through each adventure, Zane's understanding deepens. From Bitcoin's emergence to navigating the pandemic, he discovers how the stock market has shaped societies, influenced innovation, and impacted lives across generations. And with a little help, Zane found the courage to succeed, not just in trading, but in teamwork. As the final project, students join Zane in a real-world trading competition. Together, they apply everything they've learned, researching markets, making trades, and managing portfolios in a high-stakes, simulated environment. For Zane and Sophie, teamwork pays off, earning them the top prize. For students, the reward is more than just recognition. Top performers have the chance to win real money trading accounts and other exciting prizes. The competition is the ultimate test of skill and confidence, and it's an experience your student will never forget. And for Zane, it seems he's won more than just the competition. Through storytelling, hands-on activities, and reflection sessions, your student will learn essential financial skills in a way that's engaging and practical. Students won't just watch, they'll do. From quizzes and hands-on projects to exploring financial history with Zane, they'll use the Interactive Brokers mobile app and a simulated $1 million portfolio to research, trade, and manage investments in real time. All your student needs is a computer, tablet, or phone with internet access. Everything else is included. Tuition is only $259, with payment plans available. The Time Travel Trading Academy is more than a program, it's a journey. Deadline to enroll is January 5th. Go to tradechologyjunior.com and apply today to give your student an unforgettable opportunity to thrive in their financial future.